Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Apple ID is active and Contact Sync is enabled in iCloud. This preserves entries during a reset. Once signed in, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and plug the phone into power so the backup won't be interrupted. You should now force an iCloud Contact Sync by opening Settings, tapping your name, iCloud, then toggling contacts off and back on if needed. Alternatively, create a local VCF export or an encrypted Finder backup as a safety copy. You will now perform the reset. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. Once you confirm, enter your passcode and your Apple ID password if requested to turn off activation lock. This is why you logged in first. Make sure when the phone restarts that you don't accidentally disable iCloud contacts during setup. Instead, choose to restore from iCloud and sign into the same Apple ID so your contacts repopulate automatically. Once the device boots, sign back into your Apple ID and immediately enable iCloud contacts so the cloud copy downloads. If contacts don't appear, toggle contacts off and back on in iCloud settings or import the VCF you exported earlier. You can also restore from an encrypted Finder backup. If problems persist, verify contacts exist at iCloud. Check your network, restart the phone, and if needed, remove and re-add your iCloud account. These steps resolve most sync or activation lock issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.